G'day y'all, welcome to my review on the Angelus leather balm. Okay, this is I've just tried it for the first time on these particular boots, and the results have been outstanding. So I really want to just broadcast my good intents for this leather balm, and I'll definitely be using it in the future. Alright, so view for yourself on how well it turned up, and give me your comment on what you think would be a good product to try as a leather balm. Thanks. Okay, so the first thing I do is I clean the boots, and in this instance I'm using the Joseph Liddy saddle soap, which is a good product. Cleans it up well, and to really get into the nitty gritties of it, you need to use a scourer, even sometimes steel wool with the saddle soap, and that'll really clean it. You need to clean the boots before you get in and put anything else on top of it, just to get rid of all the debris on top. So see how we go. Right, so you can see how well the leather balm worked. That the Angelus leather balm really brought it up nice. So as with most leather balms, you let it sit, let it draw into the leather after about an hour, then you wipe it off, and then give it a buff with a horsehair brush. On top of that, I wanted to place a wax polish just to allow the boots a little bit more protection. They are safety boots, work boots, they're used in that environment, so they do get scuffed, they do get dirty, and they are exposed to the elements. So I wanted to place a wax polish on top of it. The only one I had handy that was in a neutral colour, because I didn't have the exact pigment to match the boot, or thereabouts the pigment to match the boot. So I just used the neutral polish, which is your go-to if you're in that same situation. I had a kiwi polish, which isn't the most highly rated of polishes. There are better ones out there. The Angelus, for example, is a much better product. But I placed that on, and it did a good job. It had brought it up quite well. The shine was quite nice. So always try and finish that off with a wax polish just to protect your boots.